The best day of my life in tertiary was a normal day, but more special than usual because we went to take care of the cattle. We were up early than normal. The morning was cool as yesterday, and the the western from the day my boat goes in there than usual, but I was less brother than my brother. Their cow were sold than the what's beauty calms animals on the ranch. My grandpa saw his booster and the greens glass green tan frill near house. The bus was the biggest and we have bigger than the truck. Uh, he arrowed to ride the Holstein horse. Uh, he was shoulder than the nail one, but more aventing than any other. My sister was lace scarlet seat last time. She was a Barbie has grandpa. No. We had lunch under the terrace tree. The best danced better than I thought because we were under than ever. It was the more peaceful moment of the week. On the White Blacks, the sky thunder more orange than I have ever seen. It was the most very beautiful since then, if even more different than after school would have returned on time. On only day it was a excursion than a trip to the city with the most important day working with the guy to enter life into Sierra. Is understand these looks but more but more ranting than anything.